Hello everyone, these are the most usable shortcut keys for Windows or for the computer. These will help you a lot. I guarantee you that these are useful and you may not know about these shortcut keys. So let's get started. The first shortcut key is Windows plus tab. Whenever we press this, it will open task view for us. Let's press Windows key plus tab. All the task view has been opened for us. So now let's move to the second shortcut key, which is Alt plus Tab. Alt plus Tab will move the tab. For example, you have opened Visual Studio Code, Chrome 1, Chrome 2, and Notepad, OBS Studio, this one. Okay, if you would like to move one by one to them, so we will use Alt plus Tab. Let's press Alt plus Tab. Okay, which one you want to open task, to, it will open that one for you. For example, snapping tool, so it will snapping tool for you. Again, come here to the Chrome. Okay, we want the second one, Chrome, this one. Okay, so it will open that for us. Now let's move to the third shortcut key, which is Alt plus Escape. Alt plus Escape, here down the taskbar, check here. Okay, look here, I will press Alt plus Escape. You will see the task of Alt plus Escape. Alt plus Escape. See, it will move one by one. Again, it come here now to this Chrome browser, again to Notepad. Now it come here to the Visual Studio Code. Okay, come here now to the OBS recorder. See, there is a little bit background color. Okay, white color. Now it come here again to the Chrome. Come here, okay. For example, we come here to the Visual Studio Code. Right now that is Visual Studio Code. Whenever we press enter, so it will open Visual Studio Code for us. So it is how it works. Okay, now let's move to the fourth shortcut key, which is Windows plus X key. It will it will open a quick link menu for us. Let's press Windows plus X. See, it will open quick link for us. For example, which task you want to perform, so just press that. Okay, it will do that for. Okay, quick link menu, it will open that for us. Now let's move to another shortcut key, which is Control plus Shift plus Escape. It will open Task Manager for us. Control Shift plus Escape. It will open Task Manager for us. If you would like to close anything, just press that and press here End Task. So just view all the task which is running. Task Manager. Let's move to another shortcut key, which is Windows plus D to move to the desktop. For example, you have opened 3, 4 or 5 apps. You want to move directly to the desktop. So for that, we will press Windows plus D. Okay, it will close all the tasks. It will directly bring you to the desktop. Now let's move to another shortcut key, which is Control plus Escape. It will open window start menu for us. Control plus Escape. It will open start menu for us. Let's move to another. If you would like to lock the windows, so press Windows plus L. Windows plus L. So it will open the screen, the windows, okay, for you. So it was the task of Windows plus L. Now let's press, if you would like to open the File Explorer, so for that we will press Windows plus E. Windows plus E. So it will open File Explorer for us. So it was all about the useful shortcut keys for Windows for the computer. I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something from this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.